Good morning. I've got another painting for you. I hope you're painting today. It's a beautiful day, and you'd like to be outdoors, I know. But do a little painting first. And I'm going to start today right in here, like this. I have something in mind, but you can see I'm starting out with this stroke like that. You gotta get the paint on before you can do anything with the paint. There's a green. I'm going to bring in some gold in here. And over here too. I bet you don't know what this is going to be. Well, you soon find out. Here's some more. This is gold, and I want a little bit more color to it. This is all covered up there. Now, this is going to be my darkest spot right back in here. Quite dark. Like that. And of course, you know, I'm going to bring in my fan brush, because I'm going to make these into pine trees back in there. See? They come down, comes down like this. Maybe down like this. And a little bit of burnt sienna right here. Now on this side, I'm going to keep dark, pretty dark, over here. And just to be, little different colors, I'm going to bring in some of my violet. So, lighten it up a little bit, that side. Put some over here, too. Now, I'm going to pick up my medium-sized brush and come in here and just kind of go like this way. See? Get rid of that a little bit. And then some more like yellowish green down in here. Put some over here, maybe a little right in here, get rid of that. I took a picture of this a while back, and I thought it was so pretty that I wanted to try to do it. And you know, I won't capture just what God has made. You just can't do that. But I'm going to bring in some greens in here. And these are more the lighter greens. So I'm going to bring in some gold with up here. This brush is kind of not doing too good, but might get some paint on. Maybe I'll put some over here. Right now I'm putting the color on. I'll have to shape the trees later. Okay, I picked up a smaller brush and I'm going to try to do a little lighter. I'm trying to get it lighter than that back there. Now I need something underneath this waterfall. See, just start doing that. Wipe it down. Bring it down like this. Have a little more sky showing because it keeps coming down. It's like, you know, small watercolor or waterfalls. You know, 8 years old. And boy, I'm painting. And it's not easy sometimes, you know. But I'm doing this for the Lord because He sent me back. He sent me back to paint for you and tell you what a great, wonderful God He is. Maybe I'll make this like this so it's not real even. I don't like it. I'm putting a little more white right here. Real thick. A lot thicker, I hope. Right here. A purple or just a different color in here. See? Trees is coming down here like this. And maybe over the, and they're lighter weight. They're lighter. Fan brush is kind of not working too good today. I think it's you don't dry them up. They get bad. I'll put some over here in this tree. That one right there, that one there goes over. I'm going to use a smaller brush and come in and see if I can fix it. See? It's really got to be darker than that. So the tree leaning over there. And then there's a tree kind of coming down here like this. I don't know if that's the way I want it or not. I do want more light on this tree here. And I hope you're painting today. You know, if you don't paint, you never learn nothing. You know, that's how you learn. I've been painting for so many years now. I started when I was 30 into oil. And I did acrylic. There's a little grass up here. And I find that of all the mediums, as you might know, I like watercolor the best. Here's some limbs on this tree. See? Maybe some grass over here. Well, you know, it's probably as good as it's going to get, unless I've spent a lot of time by myself fixing it. I would like to put some pretty lavender. This is called lilac, and I think that it needs something in here that will bring out some colors more. Like here, so you can have a tree. You have to kind of ad-lib a little bit, but I sort of brought that out. I gotta bring some in here because you gotta have it spread. Maybe there's a tree right here. Yeah, maybe there's some right there. Just gives it more color. It brings it out better. Maybe right here I'll have one. It's just little pine trees. Back in there, I do not want to get some darker ones. See, like that. Okay, maybe even some of that darker color right in here. See? Well, I could work on this all day, I guess, but I haven't. But I gotta go to the dentist today. Oh, I just thought. I just have my teeth clean. I guess still have teeth. Okay, I think that's about what I'm gonna say done. I'll put a frame on. There, I put it in a frame, and it's okay. I could do more work on it. But there's a video, you get what you get. And I want to give you my Bible verse for today. It's Colossians 1:16, verse 16. For by him were all things created that are in heaven and that are on earth, visible and invisible, whether they be thrones or dominions or principalities or powers, all things were created by him and for him. And he is before all things, and by him all things consist. Isn't that beautiful? God made this whole world. He made this even, you know. He created the trees. He helped me paint this. He's a wonderful God. I hope you know him today. And my favorite verse, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever, means you or me, believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Isn't that beautiful? Do you know him today? I hope you do, because the world's getting worse and worse. And he's coming back. He said he's coming back for his children. And I hope you're one of his children, because then you'll be in heaven with him. You'll see him face to face. Isn't that a glorious thought? And if you turned him down, walked away from him, please come back. Please come back and love him. My prayer today for you. And thank you for watching. I have my work on eBay that you might want to look at. It's really reasonably priced, and it's in my drawers, and I'd rather have them on your walls. So I hope you have a good day of painting today, and I hope God blesses you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.